program is video share. Okay, this program in Wipro 2022. What is the input format? The input consists of an integer user points representing the calculated points. అంటే ఒక ఇంటీజర్ వాల్యూ తీసుకోమన్నాడు అండ్ అవుట్పుట్ ప్రింట్ rating if possible, otherwise you can print invalid input. For example, input is 77. What is the output? Excellent. You can take input is an integer value, depends on integer value, you can print the excellent. Why it is excellent means I don't know, then you can check the description part. Video share is an online video sharing platform. The company has decided to rate its users channels based on the sum total of the number of views received online and the subscribers. Okay, I want to provide the ratings for the users. First, they are providing some user ratings. If 30 to 50, rating is average. 51 to 60, good. 61 to 80, excellent. 81 to 100, outstanding. They are providing some ratings. They are providing ratings from 30 to 100 only. If lower than 30 or higher than 100, it is invalid input. Okay. Import java.util.staff. Then you can create the scanner class. Scanner as equals to new scanner of system.in. First, what is our requirement? What is input? You can take one integer value, int n equals to or int units equals to sc dot next enter. Okay, then I want to compare that values between 30 to 50 or not. If 30 to 50, average. That's right. If n greater than or equals to 30 and n less than or equals to 50, then I want to print system dot out dot println average. Else if in case otherwise, I want to check that values that your rating units are 51 to 60, n greater than 50 and n less than or equal to 60. System dot out dot println good. Else in case 61 to 80, that means n greater than 60 and n less than or equals to 80. Then system dot out dot println excellent. Else 81 to 100, n greater than 80 and n less than or equals to 100. System dot out dot println outstanding. Else system dot out dot println in case less than 30 or greater than 100, invalid input. That's all. Then you can run and save. Okay. All test cases are matched. You can compare the grading system. Okay.